speak, or is bully boy
please.
Mr. Angry,
Stop misrepresenting yourself. Stop misrepresenting yourself.
You're a bully, and you shout down people in this house. You're a bully boy, and your bully boy tactics won't work with me. We formed a government. We have a five-year programme. You've let the mask slip again today that you don't believe there's measures needed to make house building more viable in terms of apartments. We're taking those decisions. You will not support the decisions that we're taking to make a real difference in terms of housing supply. And when we see those extra homes built in the years ahead, young people right across this country will benefit from that. This is budget 1 of 5. It will make a real and sustainable difference.
Please show some respect
on our
for the Taoiseach.
while you will continue to shout, roar and offer nothing constructive to this country, because you know what? That's what bully boys do.
Thank you, Taoiseach.
You're a bully.
You hate being confronted by the
Deputy O'Callaghan.
over and over again. You break promises.
Deputy, bit of order. Deputy O'Callaghan.